I built a Land Rover Scrapyard accidentally, without realizing that by taking the engine out of this car to fix this car would mean that I have my own Land Rover parts department at the tip of my fingers. And in this video, I want to fix this Range Rover by using parts from this Range Rover. Some of you may not know this, but I do actually daily this Range Rover L322 Autobiography that I bought a few years ago. And since then, I have been looking after it without a single garage visit, doing all the services myself. And I even fixed a bad oil leak coming from the inlet manifold. Firstly, I have to apologize on the condition of the car. It has been raining very badly. So last week, I had a problem with the cable connected from the door handle to the lock is snapping. I removed the cable and at the end of it was actually broken. I fixed it and I put it back, but it was a bit tight. So what I wanted to do, as everyone would go to Land Rover and buy a cable. But then I realized I have this. So I took the cable out of here to fix the other Range Rover. And since I did that, I had the itch to fix more problems with this car. So that's what we're going to do today. So for the past few weeks, this screen started to develop a crack in the LCD right over here. So this is something I've never done before, and I'm a bit worried because I've never worked on interior before. But to do the screen, I have to remove the full dashboard, literally the whole lot needs to be removed to access that screen. So let's steal a screen from here and let's practice on removing the dashboard here. I really don't know where to start from. I guess we have to start from the vents and then work our way to the center. This screen is very good, it's a really good condition, so let's do that. There are a few other things that I'd like to do to this car. I don't know if I can remove these flappy paddles. I don't know if I can put them into that Range Rover. And I think they have an issue in the camera, so maybe we can steal cameras and so on. Let's see what we can do today.
I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out. So try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Lay my troubles to rest. Blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights.
No way, it just came off. I can't believe it. We did it. Yes. It's so heavy, by the way. And that's how a Range Rover dashboard looks like. Wow, it's heavy. I didn't realize. I would say it's heavy as like engine parts.
Really?
Yeah, like maybe a small cylinder head or a small crankshaft, but it's heavy.
Wow.
Oh, maybe because of the airbag. So that's the airbag.
Yes.
So that's so interesting. So that's airbag, that's the CD changer thingy. And then there's two vents here. That's where the speaker is. That's how it looks like.
It's really different.
That's cool. Look how flat it is.
Yeah.
And that is how we take the LCD out. Wow, I have learned so much today. It's crazy. Now, two options. Shall I remove just the glass, or do you think I can move the whole computer? I don't know if I can do that. Just gonna have to test it, but I'm worried if I move the whole computer, it will say supercharger here. I mean, I don't mind having it's a V8, both are V8, but one is diesel, one is petrol. So it'd be a lie.
Diesel supercharged.
Yeah.
It's like the first model.
Yeah, people will be like, what? How did you do that? Or I can remove the glass. I'm not sure how to remove the glass. Oh yeah, screws in the back. So we'll see which one we can do. Either the glass or the full computer. Wow, you can see the crack now is a lot clearer with the sun reflecting on it. Listen, rather than working inside, let's work outside. It's brighter. The camera will see better. Yeah. Hence, you guys will see better. So let's crack on and remove the dashboard over here. I learned a lot, so it should be quicker now.
I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light.
Wow,
Wow.
what an achievement. Okay, that's the screen. I can see it had some issues here as well. So, I'm glad we're doing this. And it looks like it's been cracked here as well. You know what? 100% someone's been here before. Can you see the glue?
Oh.
Yeah,
Yeah.
someone has definitely been here before. Okay, I just want to clarify something. This car I'm sat in is a 2009 registration, but it's actually a 2010 model. Hence, it's the facelift. That one as well is a 2011, 2012. So this one is a later model than this one. If someone new to our channel, this is a supercharged V8. That one is a turbo V8. That one is a petrol. That one is a diesel. That one is a 5 liter. That one is a 3.6. Do you reckon I can just change the screens? I don't know. You know what? Let's bring the other device. Let's plug it in. If it says supercharged, then we have to change the glass.
Yeah.
If it doesn't, then it recognizes.
Yeah?
Yeah, it recognizes. But the thing is that the computer inside.
Yes. Yeah.
Let's see if it matches. If not, then we have to remove the screws in the back and replace the glass only.
Okay.
But we'll see. I have to say the quality is very good. These are heavy items. I don't want to mention other brands, but other brands, I think you know which one I mean. Other brands are not as good. This is like really heavy stuff, solid stuff. It's just a trim, but I mean, it's a heavy trim. My buttons here are a bit weird. I think I glued it a long time ago because the button is a bit weird, but this one is perfect. They are exactly the same. So let's take this one and put it here. So I'm just looking at the difference, and it's definitely this one from the silver car. Definitely someone been messing around with it because I can see glue here. Someone attempted to repair it, or this screen been removed. Something happened here. And you can see the crack. And to be honest with you, when I bought the car, I may have had the crack only slightly. And then because I go off-roading a lot, maybe it got worse. And then here is a crack as well. You can't feel them with your finger. Oh no, you can. You can actually.
Oh, you can even hear it.
Yeah. The easiest thing to do is just to put this one in and see if it works.
Let's try.
Let's try.
Yeah.
Let's try. Now we'll plug in the battery and see if it works. As simple as that. Okay. Moment of truth. Yeah.
It even took the mileage with it.
Well, that's right. Not okay.
Oh,
Well, that's not right. So it didn't work. Let's turn on the car.
Okay.
It doesn't want to turn on the car.
So maybe that means it's not compatible, and it knows.
It knows.
No, it knows. It's
It
smart.
knows.
So
It-
that means we
It needs programming, or we change the glass.
just change the glass.
Change the
right?
glass?
Yeah.
Okay, let's change the glass.
Okay.
Well, that was a failure. Oh no.
Half a failure. At least we got this far.
No, it's programmed on the other.
Range Rover.
Yeah. Changing the glass could be risky.
If it gets damaged.
Yeah,
Oh.
could be risky. Let me unplug the battery and plug it back in. Did that do anything?
No.
It is all completed now. Let's put it in the car and see if it works. If it works, hooray. If it doesn't, we're
cry.
we're in big trouble now. Let's see. I have never ever seen anyone doing this on YouTube before, and I attempted to do a bit of research, and I couldn't find anyone really guiding me to do this in the latest Range Rover, by the way. The earlier Range Rover, okay, fine, but not the latest one, not the 2000, you know, the facelift.
Yeah.
So we'll see. Maybe I can help someone. Well, I hope I'm helping someone today. So see how it works. Okay, let's put the battery in. So we have our original information here, like
Oh, this odometer, yeah?
odometer stuff,
Yeah.
and the date obviously
The reset.
it resets. So should we try?
Yes.
Oh yes! We did it! Oh, nice! We did it. Obviously there's an airbag warning and so on,
Yeah.
but
I wonder why.
I wonder why. Maybe there's no airbag, maybe that's why.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll turn it off because the garage is closed. So we'll turn it off. We know it works. Perfect.
Nice.
One problem fixed. Let's put the dashboard back, and there are a few other problems that need to tackle. Let's do it now. All good. Before we move on into the next step, two things. Number one, make sure to hype this video. It's a new feature on YouTube, by the way. If you hype this video, it will recommend our videos to other people, and then we can grow bigger and have more subscribers and more views, and you'll help our channel. The second thing, no screws left. I promise, no screws, see? No screws. Let's move on into the next item. So the next thing I want to fix, which is really annoying for me personally, is this. I mean, it holds up here, up to here, and then it drops. So is this one, it drops. So I want to see if on the other car is better. And if it is, let's fix the hinges. I think there's a strut here that we need to fix. So I can see this one is broken. I'm not sure why. It snapped from here. I hope nothing wrong with it and it will not damage our own car. So I removed 6 screws here all around, and I didn't know how to take it out, and I was struggling, and then accidentally all I had to do is this,
Okay.
and then ta-ta-ta-ta, it's out.
That was easy.
So now we need to take this out by removing this pin here.
Maybe it's pulling upwards.
Yeah, I think so.
Something like
Oh,
that.
just did it. I think you push this one in like that. I think, you know what, I have never done anything like this before, so I think maybe I should use something like this. It's not coming off. Aha.
Like this. Nice.
Free strut. Let's go put it in the car.
From the Range Rover parts.
Yeah, from the Range Rover the parts department. Let's go and install it in a new car. So that's the original one. Let's see. By the way, there are no videos to show you how to do this online. So find it very curious why there are no videos. Maybe people don't pay attention to them. Maybe don't care. Maybe it's my OCD that makes me do stuff like that. Totally unnecessarily. That doesn't want to come off. Why doesn't want to come off?
Oh, that's the small bracket.
Yeah, no, it's like a metal piece. Ah, took it off. It stops it from coming out. There's this thing here. Okay, that's been pushed. So this pen holds it in place. And then there's another one here, which we did not do the other side because it was broken. But it's the same principle. I'll take it out. Like that. And then, in theory, I should be able to pull it out. Here you go. So let's see the difference. If I press this. Oh, wow.
That immediately slides down.
Yeah. But, I mean,
It's much looser than the previous.
let's see this one.
Yeah.
Let's see this one.
Right?
It's slowly, can you see?
Yeah.
It's slowly. So when it's closed position, obviously it's going to be like that, yeah?
Yeah.
But then when you open them, let's see. I'm going to put them side by side. Ready? 1,
Yeah.
2, 3.
One is slower than
Yeah, so I think slow is good.
Yes. Yes.
Now same speed.
Oh.
Are they both broken? Are they both broken?
Let's try putting the one from the black L52.
I think this is the one from black L32,
Yes.
right? Okay,
Yeah,
let's see. I think, you know what? Well, that would be silly. That'd be a bit of a waste of time.
Better or same thing?
Sometimes,
Some effort.
this is why sometimes I don't release videos, because sometimes you do things and it's just waste of time. Now I have to use my hand to lift up and down. It's a big deal, isn't it? Well, at least this was only my issue. It's just my OCD, but it's nothing more than that. I mean, you can still open and close, but it's just me. But I guess that part we have to, well, I was just speaking to the neighbor. I think he was saying return it to the part department, get your warranty back, isn't it? So we're gonna return the part. Next, let's fix the cameras, okay? So, let me show you what happened. Get in, close the door so we can see. So let me show you. Hey,
There's no warning.
what? This reverse. It's working.
But a moment ago it wasn't. Oh no. Well.
Okay, well that was a failure. I was supposed to. What do we do now?
Finish the video.
Finish the video.
No more stuff to repair.
Well, that was embarrassing. I was about to do the camera.
We had a message, right? Like camera system.
Yeah.
failed. Yeah. So. Maybe.
Well, we're gonna have to cut this video short. I'm very sorry to cut this video short, but I'll tell you what, next video is gonna be extremely exciting because inside we have some new parts. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you have enjoyed it, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and make sure you hype video like we discussed. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.